I have a Stolen Legion 20.6 top tube frame. Sabrosa bitches. You damn it. Your presence, it makes me happy. Oh boy. I hate doing voiceovers, this is why I couldn't rap with the camera. You just can't see it. I don't want to read it because then I'll sound like I have this and that.
You should read it.
That's what the last one was like.
On purpose, though.
I'm just gonna read it to you and have this as like a microphone. Are you ready? Fuck.
If you read it to me, I'm just gonna read it.
Nah. I have a Stolen Legion 20.6 top tube frame, a Sabrosa bitching bottom bracket with Stolen Team 22mm cranks. Millimeter. Did you hear that? I have a Stolen. I'm trying to make you laugh now. Alright. I have a Stolen Legion 20.6 top tube frame, a Sabrosa bitching bottom bracket, Stolen Team 22mm cranks, Stolen Thermalite SP pedals, a Primo Churchill headset, a Colony squareback stem, Stolen cell bars 9.5 rise with ODI super soft grips, Shadow captive forks with 26mm offset, BSD Donna Squeak tires in 2.4 front and rear, a BSD Forever chain, Stranger ballast front hub with Colony spokes cross-laced to a G-Sport roll cage rim, a Primo Freemix Pro coaster laced to another G-Sport roll cage rim with Colony spokes, a Stolen cushion seat, and a Colony seat post.
I had a question. You know who Tyran is, right?
Yeah, he's my friend.
I want you guys to play a game of Bike.
Alright, we will. We did one on my YouTube channel.
You have a YouTube channel?
Stranger, I hate when I say sound like Andrew Rowan. I have a Stranger Graham sprocket, 25 tooth, with 4 beans. I have 4 Fiend bell mount pegs.
This has a USB cord on it.
So you filmed everything?